Hello everyone, Mike Cardenas with Forza Detailing and Detailed Image, here to give you the rundown on the latest from BLO, the Air S. The Air S has three settings. It has an off button, then you have a low setting, and a high setting for when you need more power. Accessing the filters is pretty easy. You have an unlock, just twist this, and now you can access all your filters. You can pull these out, clean them, and then reinsert them when they're clean and dry, twist the cap, and you're ready to go. To give you more versatility in your drawing, it does include three nozzles. You get a round focus nozzle, the narrow high-speed nozzle, and the wide mouth nozzle. The Air S is lightweight and comfortable, and at only 2.5 pounds, it's extremely lightweight for something this powerful. With a 1200 watt motor, the Air S is the most powerful handheld dryer in the market today. It also is 30% quieter than other dryers. The Air S is small, compact, but powerful. And if you're looking for a forced-to-air vehicle dryer around that $100 price point, then consider the Air S. You get the filtered, heated air and plenty of power to go with it. And they are now available at detailedimage.com.